MTN cheap data plan platform is out. I'm about to show you a platform where you can buy MTN data very cheap. As you can see here now, this offer that they give you, you get 1 gig for 100 naira. Let's check the other offer. The other offer, they'll give you 2.5 gig for 600 naira. Alright, so if whether you are using MTN, you are using Airtel, you are using Glo, you are using 9mobile or any other network, okay, this secret platform I'm about to show you works for everybody. And the good part here is that in that platform I'm going to show you a secret way where you can get free data without paying. Okay, you just do a little click and get the data. And the good thing here is that you don't need to cram all the whole codes for if you want to buy data, because I made a video where of cheap code you can use to get cheap data, like 1 gig for 100 naira and the rest. But some people were complaining that they are not getting it because they are trying the code, is not working. Alright, so it's all fit to cram those code. I'll show you where you just click on a button, just click on claim on a button and you are going to get it. Okay, so why this video came up is because recently MTN just increased their data plan. Data 1 gig data that they used to buy for 500 before, people were complaining, they increased it to 1000. People were complaining, they still increase it to 1500. It's so unfair. It's so unfair. Why should you be buying 1 gig data for 1500 where you can get that same 1 gig data for as low as 100 naira depending on your package? So let me go there straight and show you how to do it. Now if you want to buy MTN data normally, if you come to their normal code that they used to buy data, start 312. Alright, you see now, let's go for data plan. Let's go for monthly. You can see now for monthly now you'll be charged 1500 naira for 1.8 gig, only 1.8 gig. This is cheating. This 1500 naira, do you know that you can use it to get 15 gig? Why use 1500 naira for just 1 gig when you can use it to get 15 gig or at least 7 gig? So let me go and show you the secret platform that you can get this gig. So before we go on, just please hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button. Let's go. Now here is the platform I'm about to show you. There are 3 platforms, secret platform. Okay, this first one now I'm about to show you for Airtel users. As you can see, they have data for 1 gig, they have code for 1 gig. One day, just click on it and you subscribe. That's all you need to do. You don't need to cram any code. Okay, they have 30 days 1 gig. Okay, so as you can see, the 30 days 1 gig is very expensive, which is 613 points. So but you don't have to do that. Okay, so what you need to do is check the one that is going to be good for you. Alright, for example, now if you know you want to use it, you can use data up for 1 day. You just go for 1 day plan, daily plan. Okay, if you need data for weekly plan, just check on your data consumption and your needs. If you want for weekly, then you select one of the weekly plans. Alright, so as you can see, for 7 days you charge you just 218 naira on Airtel. Alright, they have the monthly plan too, and they have yearly plans. Okay, no data plan available for a yearly plan, but just keep on checking. Alright, so let's go to Glo. For Glo users now, as you can see, they have their best offers. 14 days 200 MB. Alright, 30 days 1 gig 313 naira. Alright, so let's go for daily plans and see. Daily plans 2 days 3.5 gig for 550 naira. So let's do small calculation. 550 divided by 3.5, which means for 116 naira you'll be charged 1 gig. But this is for 2 days, so just use it very fast for Glo users. Then let's go to their weekly offer and see. For 7 days you'll be charged 1.5 naira for 7 gig. So let's do the calculation. 1500 divided by 7, which is for 215 naira. They'll give you 1 gig for 7 days. Alright, so make sure you use it. There's also 1 gig for 300 naira. So our advice, if you are going for the 7 days plan, depending on what you are doing, just go for the one that will be good for you. Now let's check the monthly plan. Alright, 30 days 1 gig for 313 naira is still fair compared to other networks. Okay, this is for Glo users. Alright, so now let's go to 9mobile users. Now remember, if you try this or you want some code for cheap data plan, here just check this video here or check at the comment section, okay, for the code that you just dial on your phone for the cheap data plan. Now for monthly plan for Glo, for 9mobile users, as you can see, for 30 days with 1000 naira they'll give you 4.2 gig. So let's do that. 1000 naira divided by 4.2, that is for 240 naira you'll be charged 1 gig, and this is still good for non-mobile users. Okay, this is still good. Now let's go to their best offers. Just once you open the platform, okay, you choose the one you want and go for it. Okay, then there is the daily plan. You choose any one you want depending on your needs. If you know that this data you cannot use it up to in a day, better don't go for it. Go for the one that you can use. If you know that, for example, now if you can use 7 gig within 7 days, then go for it. Okay, but if you know that you cannot use 7 gig within 7 days, don't go for it, because after 7 days it's going to expire and your data will just be a waste. So if you know that if you know that it's monthly that you can use it, then you go for 30 days plan. Alright, so yearly there's no plan yet for yearly, but come back and check yearly. Okay, so let's go to MTN users. I know most people are waiting for this MTN users on. Alright, so monthly, you see, for 30 days they'll charge you 670 naira. Remember, on the normal MTN data plan that I just showed you now, *312#, 1 gig, 1.8 gig is 1,500. So 1 gig is about 900 naira or so. So it's still cheaper here. Alright, so if you want to do 3 gig or you want to save money, go for this 3 gig plan. Let's try some maths here. Okay, for 3 gig they'll charge you 2,010 naira. Okay, let's divide it by 3. You see, okay, still that's 370. So what you should do, you should check if it's monthly you're going for. You check the one that is good for you. If you're having internet data, then you can try this 30 days for 75 gig. They'll give 19,000 naira. Okay, so 30 days for 200 gig, 50,000 naira depending on your use. Then if you're a weekly user, now you want to use it for within 7 days, you see they still have options for 5 gig for 1,500. So you do 1,500 divided by 5. So for 300 naira you'll be giving 1 gig only for 300 naira. So this is a good plan. So to beat this system, okay, if you know you're using data very well, don't go for the daily plan. Okay, go for the weekly plan and do that because it's cheaper compared to the monthly plan. Alright, so this is what you do. Right, now let me show you where you can get 1 gig for just 100 naira, MTN users. Alright, so now as you can see now, MTN users in this app now, you'll be giving 1 gig for 100 naira. So this offer doesn't last all day, all time. So once you just open it, depends on your luck. So you can try it. Now they have other one. Okay, they have other one. They say 200 MB for as low as 15 naira only for 14 days. Alright, then you still have 2.5 gig for 600 naira. So this depends on your luck. Okay, so if you want to buy data, let's go to buy data and see. So let's go to data bundles. Now daily plan, as you can see now, for look at how much you are going to give yourself. 15 naira for 1 day, 40 MB 50 naira. Okay, 75 MB for 75 naira. So what this means is for instance for daily 1 day. Alright, so now let's go for weekly. 7 days, 500 MB for 7 days is too expensive. 700 naira, 1.2 gig, 700 naira, 1.2 gig is quite expensive. Alright, so this is for MTN users. Alright, then monthly 1,500 naira. So this is still expensive, but the only reason why you should use this app for me is for this their cheap offer. Once you just open it, don't buy any of this offer. Once you just open it, you see this offer they give you, cheap offer, 1 gig for 100 naira. Just try it. If it's your luck, you get it. If it's not your luck, then use the other app that I showed you. Okay, if it's not your luck on that MTN app, you just come here simply and use this data that I showed you. Okay, and the name of this app is Yanga Plug. Okay, so Yanga Plug, YANGAPLUG. So just take it on Play Store, alright, or check the comment section below. Just drop your questions if you have any. Then let me show you a trick you can use to get free data on this app, like I promised you in the beginning of this video. So to get free data on this app, what you simply do, you come to this tax section. Alright, so now as you can see now, there are several tasks you can complete. Alright, there are several tasks you can complete. Then each tax, depending on the tax, will give you 5 points Some give you 10 points and some give you 4.5, some give you 20 points. Alright, so depending on the task, just complete the task. Alright, click on the task and complete it. So once you complete it, they're going to give you your points here, and you simply cash out. Then you come back to the home page and use it to buy data. Okay, so let's say for example now, depending on the data you want to buy, sometimes you might not have, maybe you have just 200 naira and you need like 150 naira to complete it to buy data. You simply come and complete tax of 150 naira. It's as easy as that. Alright, so if you don't want to do the tax, you simply leave it and buy the data because it's already cheap. Alright, but this is a way where you can get cheap data very, very cheap without buying it at the official rate, where they say 1 gig for 1,500 naira for 1 gig is very expensive. Alright, so if you have any question, drop it in the comment section below and I'll answer you. So here's the video that I made for those that want to buy data, cheap data with codes. Okay, so just check it here below. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe, then drop your question in the comment section below and I'll answer you sharp.